You're with me, guys. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 3 out here. Talking about Note 3, we can say this was a variant which was different from Note series out here. Stylus and Microsoft is absolutely constant in the Note series. So you will find stylus also inbuilt in it. So you will find a stylus out there with Samsung. But the thing out here which differs is that 2013 variant having a different functionality, a different kind of inbuilt storage, inbuilt, we can say not storage but inbuilt capacities or the platforms, they are quite different out here. So talking about Samsung variant out here, especially Samsung Galaxy Note 3 out here. Note 3 की बात करें तो कह सकते हैं कि Note 3 is something which was okay variant out here with a weight of approximately 170 grams. Like it weighs approximately 170 grams out here. So talking about this variant, we can say that this variant had got a plastic design out here. Yes, plastic framework, plastic pack. So this was a plastic design gadget out here, or plastic framework or plastic design out here. With glass front. Yes, you will get your glass front, which gives you a glass protection out here. You will get to have a glass protection out here. That too of Gorilla Glass 3. So we can say that overall the weight is okay because of this. Yes, protection is given, so weight is okay out here. Now when we talk about this variant, we can say that it has Super Almond Capital Touch Screen along with 5.7 inch screen size. You get to have 5.7 inch screen size, as well as you get to have Super Almond Capital Touch Screen, which is an incredible job out there. Yes, that's an incredible job out there. So you cannot deny the fact that this is really a good variant. And when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, we can say that it has got a resolution of 386 ppi density, which is quite good out here. So that is quite good out here. But which goes different functionality we talk about, or we can say one thing which is definitely Samsung working on is the variants available out in the market. Yes. Globally, there are two variants available. There are two different variants available, having a different processing system inbuilt in it. Both the variants will have, yes, both the global two variants will have Android 4 out here. That is Android 4.3, but that can be upgraded up to 4.2. Yes, 4.42 it could be upgraded up to 4.4.2. We can upgrade it. But when we talk about this variant, we can say further after a few years of upgradation, you can also upgrade it up to Android 5. So overall upgradation, if we talk about that, you get to have upgradable Android or Android 5. Yes, you get to have Android 5 upgradability. And the two variants have either Snapdragon processing system or the Innisco processing system. You will have two different processors in two different variants. Yes, it's not that one part of the group will have Snapdragon and other part will have Innisco. There are two different variants available out there. Similarly, it has either quad-core or octa-core processing inbuilt in it. So depending upon which kind of Snapdragon and which kind of processor it is using, it varies out there. But you will find it quite exciting, we can say shocking, or any other expression you would like to add, because it offers you 3 GB RAM out here. Yes, it offers you 3 GB RAM, which is definitely an amazing thing out here. But when we talk about 3 GB RAM, we cannot forget that it offers you internal storage capacity of 16 GB, 32 GB, and 64 GB. Yes, the storage capacity remained constant, 16, 34, and 64 GB. 3 different variants are available out there in the market. But one thing which is really exciting for this variant is when we talk about this variant, the most exciting thing about this variant is the camera out here. It has 13 megapixel rear camera and 2 megapixel selfie camera. Yes, 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flashlight with good video quality, audio quality out there, and 2 megapixel selfie camera, which offers you really good capturing capacity of selfie. As well as when we talk about this variant, it has got good connectivity, proximity, outer extremity, all the sensitivities are really good, and connections are also amazing out here. But one thing which is definitely going to amaze us is the battery out here. Yes, when we talk about the battery, we cannot forget that it has got 3200 mAh battery. Yes, it has got 3200 mAh battery, offering you 21 hours talk time with 3G variant, especially 3G variant. I'm talking about 21 hours talk time, and that with 3G variant and 3200 mAh battery gives amazing payload. So you cannot definitely miss out this variant as it offers you amazing pricing and amazing functionality. So to try out this website, this variant, we have a website which offers you a best pricing. So let's get ahead to that website. So this is the website I'm talking about. The website name is phoneZone.ae. This is the website name. As well as you get to have all the brands out here. Most reputed brands are here. And this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. So let us search this one only, this note out here. So let us search note series out there. I have already done note 3 so that I come to know that I'm searching note 3 only. So this is Note Galaxy Note 3 out here, different variants available like 32 GB out there. This is dual SIM version as I already told you. This is with Wi-Fi 16 GB. But all the three have a condition refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how is it different from other and what is the benefit of having a refurbished. Talking about refurbished products or brand new products, we can say that refurbished products are quite same or quite similar as a brand new. As the word itself says that refurbished means creating something new like this. Refurbished means creating something new like, and that can be seen out here in this word itself that furbished is new like and re means again. So something new like again we can say. Or we can also say that refurbished and brand new are very correlated out here. They are correlated. How they are correlated? They have the same structurality, functionalities, as well as they have the same criteria of tests. Yeah. It clearly means मतलब जो brand new के लिए हम test include करते हैं वही test हम refurbished के लिए भी include करते हैं. Overall, we can say that this is one of the feature which is same as brand new and refurbished. Moving on, we can tell that refurbished and brand new process the same path but with slight difference. And the difference lies out as this is the major pathway out here, and this is how the difference lies. There is a base. We all have a base. Base can be anything out here, anything. It can be either your company user, anything, but base is originally the one which gives you a great amount of, you can say, structurality out there, or the base is something which helps you to know where that product has been originated out. Then comes the mediator, and the mediator is something which helps you to know about the place where it is being collaborated. मतलब base हो गया हमारा original place, अब उसके बाद कहाँ से हम इसे collect कर सकते हैं, from where we can collaborate with it or we can collect it. That is the mediator out here. And then comes the consumer. Consumers are like us or the company, anything who uses that gadget, that product out here. So that is the consumer out here. So talking about these three parameters, the brand new or the refurbished ones have a very slight difference. Base in brand new is the company, the original company out here which launches that product, that gadget in the market for the very first time. For the very first time it is being launched out here. And then the marketplace is the mediator. They launch into the market, then the marketplace has a lot of distributors out there. There are n number of distributors, n number of parameters out there. How it is going. There's n number of there's a big chain out there. So in short, we can say that marketplace is a mediator out there. Then comes the consumer, which are the users like us. We use that market product out here, that gadget from the company to the marketplace which has been launched. We use that. Whereas when we talk about refurbished, then this chain is slightly different. The difference lies out that the user in the brand new, the user for brand new car, the consumer becomes the base out here. Yes, the user becomes the base out here, and that gadget is pre-owned, that has been used once, that has that could be considered not like brand new, but brand new like that could be like brand new but not brand new. So So then it is again sent back to the mediator. There can be another different, this is a different marketplace now. This marketplace uses the pre-owned phones. These tests are done on a particular site out here, on a particular page, or we can say at a particular place. All the tests are being done. जो टेस्ट ब्रांड न्यू के लिए अलग अलग जगह पे होते थे, the test which used to be done in number of sites, they are done at a particular site itself, or where the product has been given back or is exchanged out here. So that is the market. Now the tests have been done. Now it has been verified. It is ready to relaunch itself on that site with a new condition that is refurbished. So the new consumer is the new user who gets this gadget out there. जो gadget मिला है वो use करता है. This is what refurbished is all about. Now talking about refurbished, we can say that refurbished and brand new process the same parameters, like they have the same parameters which are in the external or internal factors. If we talk about the internal factors, there are like the operating system, processor out here, SIM recognition, data connectivity, data wiping, colorization out here. You can have your internal parts like CPU, GPU, NFS, infrared, code accelerometer, gyrometer, compass, everything which has been inbuilt in it, all the inbuilt processes out there. Whereas the external parameters includes the parameters which we see through our eyes or can be easily checked out, like these display, buttons, camera, audio, video, battery life, battery charger out here, scratches, color out there of the gadget or the design, the display, everything out there. जो हम आंखों से देख सकते हैं, all the external factors. Now these external internal factors combines to have 29 parameters overall, big 29 parameters. They might have some parameters out there, check each and everything. Now when they have been checked, these are the same factors which we use in the brand new and in the refurbished. They are absolutely same. For brand new, what all we check? Specifications like what is the screen size, how is the display, how is the color of it, camera kaisa hai, audio is good or not, whether the SIM is good or not, the SIM can be used out here or not, battery life, the battery is charging or not, camera quality, audio quality, connectivity is out here, everything is same what we check in brand. Now when we are done with this checking, this testing out there, then gadget is given a certificate that has a quality check, that is premium quality and is good to service out there, and then it is certified and named as refurbished or certified refurbished. Anything, both the names are same, they both stand for the same certification. Then we can say that these are absolutely ready to go further use and the consumer can now have this on the particular site they have tested out. Now moving on, what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new? Let us move ahead with that. Because there are few benefits which you get from refurbished products, like having your favorite gadget in a pocketable rate. Yes, why we say pocketable rates? Generally, brand new products are quite expensive for most of the users and are not able to afford them. So the refurbished products, which are actually pre-owned ones, can be reused out here with the same condition which are being tested out, are absolutely newly like, but now they are in a pocketable rate. Now they are in pocketable rates. So these pocketable rates allow you to have a savings. Yes, you get to have a saving also, and when we have savings, we can say that saving is great amount of here. Like savings plays a very important and vital role. We already know that brand new products have a warranty period, warranty life of 1 year, but we offer you refurbished products with 6 months warranty. Yes. Refurbished products usually have 6 months warranty out here, and you get to have that over here. As well as when we talk about refurbished products, you get to have 7 exchange policy. 7 exchange policy is also here, so you can get your favorite product with 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy, because if you do not find your product worth it and have not been checked, not verified out here, so you get to have an exchange policy also. So let us go ahead and back to the site where we were talking about and see how is it different from other and whether it offers the same thing or not. So we are back on the site, and as we already know, the site name is Phone Zone. Phone zone itself means it's a zone of phone or a place where abundance of phone can be seen out here. And talking about this variant, we can say that this is a category all mobile phone, which offers you n number of brands out here. As we were talking about refurbished product, so we can see that this offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So you can guarantee that refurbished products have a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Along with that, you get to have COD and free shipping written over here. So you get to have free shipping and COD. Free shipping is like 48 hours delivery time for most parts of UAE, and within Saudi, it might take up to a week. Yes, it might take up to a week, but most of the parts of UAE have 48 hours delivery time. For best pricing, visit out the website which has on the Google you can type phonezone.ae, or you can go on the description link and check out that. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.